Hi, I'm Jax from Mellow World. Today we're trying out this Gumball machine from Gumball Island.
Where'd you get the gumballs?
The Gumball,
From Bee Candy. Perfect size.
Perfect. A bunch of candy. A bunch of the gumballs in our pack.
How many do you think you put in there?
The whole thing, I think.
Probably not.
Nah, probably not.
What's your favorite color?
Green, blue, yellow.
Because blue and yellow make?
Green.
Well, where did we win? The
Yeah.
Gumball machine?
Yeah.
With tickets? Thanks to some really nice older boys, they gave us 650 tickets when they walked out of the fun zone. So we were able to get this cool little gumball machine. Of course, it didn't come with gumballs, so we went to Bee Candy and got gumballs.
That's what it shows on the candy.
Yeah.
Oh, we're running out of the gumball part of the gumball filling. We're almost done filling. I'm gonna make it overflow a little.
So you want to put the top on?
But oops, we're at the top. Okay.
Okay.
I'll get that one.
It's okay. Where'd he go?
Down here.
Cool. Okay, come and show us how to do it.
This one's dirty, isn't it?
Yeah, so maybe don't use it.
Then we'll sit it off to the side.
Okay. Can you turn around so we can see it? Here we go. Does it work? Oh! Maybe we're not supposed to fill it so much. That's funny.
Oh, we
Perfect. There you go. Screwed on. How cool is that? Can I have one?
Yeah.
What color am I gonna get? Oh, pink. Perfect. Ta-da!
You know, actually, white is one of my new favorite color.
Oh, cool. Okay.